Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Charlotte Tilbury Black Friday mystery boxes. I got two of them, but we're only gonna do like one right now, and then I'll make another video dedicated to that one. But we're gonna go with this one first. This one's the smaller one. It's the Iconic Secrets mystery box, which I think is the one that was $125, and it's definitely the lighter of the two. Like, this other one is really heavy. Very excited about that, but I want to save that one for like the next video, and hopefully the focus on this video is okay. I've tried to film in 4K. The focus is all over the place. I have it on manual focus right now, so like hopefully it's not gonna like do this weird zoom in, zoom out. I don't understand it. Cameras are very difficult for me, so fingers crossed, you guys. But I'm really excited to get into this. Also, if you do not know, I'm doing Vlogmas for the first time. I will have my holiday and Vlogmas playlist down below. These will probably go in the holiday playlist as well if you want to check out the other video, because it is holiday-esque, because it's a Black Friday mystery box. No idea what's coming in here. So excited. So if you're excited, then let me know down below. Did you get one? I have to know. So this one is the Iconic Secrets mystery box. I believe it was the one for $125. There was also $140 and $190. I bought the $190. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what I got. But before we get started, if you do enjoy these types of videos from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, not gonna lie, this box, you can like stick stuff in here and keep it forever. This box is so nice. So you just lift it up, bam. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I wonder if these things are gonna be like wrapped up like individually. I don't even know. Oh, all the products are laying here. Okay. Just, oh, I'm so excited. All the products. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Okay. So the first thing we're going to pull out is this, the classic eye powder pencil. What's an eye powder pencil? I don't know. It's in classic black, so I think it's just a eyeliner, but it's full size. These are all full size products. I'm so excited. Oh my god, okay. So excited. Okay, the classic eye powder pencil, classic black. This is what it looks like. I don't even know if it's gonna focus, because like I said, the focusing is like all over the place, and I'd rather it not like constantly do this little number like it was in the other one. Sorry, I'm looking at myself. It's just a pencil. Let's do a how creamy it is test. Ooh, I barely touched it. Like, I just barely swiped. Oh, okay, so this is going to be a nice little pencil for the lower lashes. Love that. Great. Next product here, we have a Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter, which I thought this one was in the glowy one, because you got like 2 sneak peeks. So I'm wondering if like, I wonder if there's going to be repeated items. I hope not. Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in Spotlight. Pretty sure this is going to be coming in the $140 box. Not sure. Because I mean, I thought this is what it was. Oh, okay, so this is the one where you like squeeze it and it's supposed to like come out of the top. Or maybe, oh no, you twist. You open it on and off, and then you do that little number. I don't want to like make a mess. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, wait. I'm intrigued. Look at that color. So pretty. Okay. Next up is the Pillow Talk Lip Luster Luxe Color Rich Lip Lacquer in Pillow Talk. So excited. That's like the iconic thing is Pillow Talk. And like, that's why I got this one over the $140 one, because I know like the lipstick is going to be coming in here, but we have like, I guess this is like a lip gloss. I don't know. I have the Pillow Talk blush and I absolutely love it. So I'm excited about this gloss. Oh, and it's such a gorgeous color. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The few items that I have from Charlotte Tilbury are just so freaking good. So I'm really excited. Okay, here we have the Pillow Talk Diamonds Glossy Starlit Sparkling Lip Looks in Pillow Talk Diamonds. Okay. I guess I'm getting everything in Pillow Talk, which I'm okay with. Here we go. I know they have like a mini kit that you can buy with like, I think it's these 3 items for like a lot of money. Just for the minis. Oh yeah, there's like gold sparkles in it. Again, I don't know if the focus is gonna work. I have no idea. Oh, this looks so pretty. It's got so much gold shimmer on it. It looks gorgeous. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell, but that is so pretty. And it smells good. Okay, next up we have the Pillow Talk lipstick. I'm so excited. The Matte Revolution Pillow Talk. Yeah, okay. This is iconic. Everyone who is anyone has Pillow Talk, right? I don't. Well, I do now. This is the whole reason. Like, I always wanted to buy Pillow Talk, but it's like 40 bucks for one of these. But they feel so nice. My first Pillow Talk experience. And there's hair on it. But that's okay. It's just like fuzz. But, oh my god. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so creamy. And it's like, obviously like the same color as the glossy thing that I put, but like not at the same time. It's so pretty. I'm so excited I have Pillow Talk. Okay, we have 2 more items in here. This is the Easy Eye Palette for Charlotte. I can't read the curse. Darling Look. For the Charlotte Darling Look. Mini eye palette with 2 easy wear eye looks. I don't know if it has like a name, but here's the little palette. Really excited to see what it is. I have no freaking idea. It has like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. I hope these are gonna be pretty colors. Ooh, it has a little card. Oh, these are the ish. Look at these colors. Oh, I'm so excited. They all look so good. I cannot wait to play with this. Yes, thank you. Next up, we have the Luxury Palette of Matte Color-Coded Eyeshadows. I don't know if this has a name either, but here's the packaging. So excited. Okay, I'm sorry I'm looking at myself. I'm just making sure it's not doing like the weird focus thing, which I don't know if it is. Oh my god, I'm gonna apologize now if it is. But here's the packaging. I'm so excited to have like high quality makeup. I'm just saying. Oh, and these colors are so pretty too. I mean, they're neutral, but like they're really, really pretty. Love that. I know you guys probably want like swatches of these, but like I'm gonna go a little more in depth on my vlog for Vlogmas, so definitely go check that out. But that is everything that came in here, you guys. I'm so excited. Did you get one? I think for $125 I got a good bit of product here. I got like eyeshadows, 2 eyeshadows, okay? 2 eyeshadow palettes here, and then I got an eyeliner. I got 3 lip products, which and a glow wand, which there was supposed to be 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Charlotte Tilbury products for $125. Are you kidding me? I'm actually really happy with everything that I got. I'm so happy. But anyways, definitely check out the other video. See what I got in that one. I'm so excited. I don't even know. I'm so excited. Okay, I hope I don't get any repeats. That would kind of suck. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know all your thoughts, comments, opinions down below. Do you like Charlotte Tilbury makeup? Everything that I've tried, I've loved. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, that's it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!